وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ
الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. As you know, our topic is continued since yesterday. The Islamic order for Nizam Islam and Islamic civilization. In this regard, today part 2 will be described. So such as way this topic will be completed. Reorientation of education. We wish to draw kind attention of the present government towards the comparatively more pressing need for reorientation of education in order to provide the very base for the promotion of Islamic precept and practices in Pakistan. As our humble contribution to the cause of Islam, we set out on the path shown by Hazrat Shah Waliullah, Hazrat Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed and Hazrat Ismail Shaheed Rahmatullah alayhim ajmain for casting the Muslim society in the mold of Islam. To that end, we have been running since 1964. Our madrasa, Ta'aleemul Islam, under a system of education that provides an Islamic base, but at the same time blends Islamic religious education with modern subjects of learning, so that a scholar should possess adequate Islamic grounding, whether eventually he turns out to be a professor, an engineer, or a doctor. Our object is to instill in young minds moral and spiritual values of Islam, to mold their life and character according to the teaching of Islam, and at the same time make them fit to face the economic and professional challenges of the modern world. The government has already set up an Islamic university in Islamabad as International Islamic University. We venture to claim that the Madrasa Ta'aleemul Islam has all the making of an Islamic university. It has the necessary infrastructure and layout. We only need government support and encouragement to move and progress in that direction. But unfortunately, nowadays, the Islamic madrasa have been targeted on the desire of European country which claim to be liberal. So it is the great responsibility of government to not bear their pressure and only Sharia law be implemented. Education according to Dars-e-Nizami, as it is given in the Madrasa Ta'lim al-Islam all over the world, especially in Pakistan. So such as way education according to Dars-e-Nizami at SSC level. We are fortunate to read in Daily Dawn dated 27/01/2000 that the government has decided to include education according to Dars-e-Nizami at SSC level by the Board of Secondary Education. But unfortunately, it has not been implemented till today. So the students from schools and Dini Madaris as well as the private candidate shall be eligible to appear in Dars-e-Nizami examination in fulfillment of the requirement as under, in which there will be subject for as compulsory English, Urdu part study and Seerah, and first level and second level subjects for compulsory maths and general science. As elective subject, Al-Quran and Hadith. But there is a 2021 till it is not implemented, and the gulf has been vast among the Dini Madaris and government education institutions. Today we are looking the situation. It has been more problematic. We pray Almighty Allah to give harmony among the Dini Madaris and the government and private educational institutions, and give us all of us Muslim courage to lead our life to according to the teaching of Islam, Quran and Sunnah. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.